Hello. The whole African National Congress members are a bunch of losers. Shame. President Cyril Ramaphosa's false promises to the ANC in Limpopo will have devastating results for his bid to be elected for a second term ahead of the party's 55th National Elective Conference to be held at Nasrec, Joburg in December. Aibo Mr. Palapala, we see you. This is according to assertions by political role players and sources within Ramaphosa's faction that he did not support VBS accused and former Limpopo provincial treasurer Danny Msiza in his ambitions to become secretary at the provincial elective conference in June. Msiza was charged by the National Prosecuting Authority for his role in the alleged looting of the now dysfunctional VBS Mutual Bank in the Vampa district of Limpopo during 2018. Msiza, who stepped aside from any ANC duties following the charges, is believed to have funded the cash-strapped party of its 110th January 8th anniversary in Polokwane this year. He was forced to vacate office as provincial treasurer after he was charged and stepped aside from the party's everyday work. Msiza is seen as a powerful role player who makes decisions within the party in the province. Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, who allegedly promised Msiza that he would look the other way regarding his charges in return for his support, has apparently not delivered on his promise. The Limpopo ANC Provincial Executive Committee PEC is looking to install Premier and Party Chairperson Stan Mathabata as National Chairperson to replace incumbent Gwede Mantashe. Mathabata is a staunch Ramaphosa ally, but his province is at loggerheads with the ANC leader over the step-aside policy and the treatment of the popular Bad Msiza. Ramaphosa is facing a challenge for the ANC's top job from several hopefuls, including National Executive Committee NEC members Lindiwe Sisulu, Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma, and Zweli Mkhize. Limpopo has the third largest delegation going to the National Elective Conference after KwaZulu-Natal and Eastern Cape. Both Limpopo and KZN lost their bid to scrap the step-aside rule at the party's policy conference in Nasrec earlier this year. According to the sources, Ramaphosa has changed towards them after his late meeting at the weekend endorsed Energy and Mineral Resources Minister Gwede Mantashe. An insider within the ANC in Limpopo said branches in the party were not going to elect Ramaphosa, as the PEC pronounced. He said, "We're not going to vote for Cyril. This man does not want us." He is now saying that he prefers Gwede Mantashe instead of us. He has lied to us. We are going to vote for Zweli Mkhize, and that's it. He does not support our views. This is still underground, but this is not going to happen. We are looking at options. Another party insider who is a government official close to Ramaphosa in Limpopo mirrored those views by saying all those within the PEC were allegedly tainted by corruption, as if Cyril Ramaphosa is not tainted by corruption, and so couldn't afford to have Ramaphosa to come back. He said, "Many comrades are scared of Cyril because on paper he can arrest them. Going to the conference, they are not going to vote for him. Most of them are allegedly corrupt and need a break from him. So this pronouncement that he be elected by Limpopo won't happen." Remember, Zweli Mkhize and Danny Msiza were close, so they are in solidarity. He was referring at a time when Zweli was a treasurer general of the party, while Msiza was the party's Limpopo treasurer in 2018. Oh shame man, cupcake. Nobody wants to work with him. Others are calling him a snitch, while others are saying he's a spineless president who's full of empty promises. What's your take on this one? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.